AIR-CN007 installation steps. Substrate preparation. Ensure the floor is level, clean, solid, and load-bearing. Check dimensions and alignment of the room. Layout and cutting. Pre-lay the mat and cut along the easy cut lines. Adjust the mat to fit the room layout. Apply thin-set mortar. Use a 6 mm notched trowel for even distribution. Mat installation. Embed the AIR-CN007 mat into the adhesive. Press firmly to ensure full bonding with the substrate. Cable installation. Install the heating cable into the mat channels. Follow the design spacing. Avoid any overlap. Recommended cable spacing 3333 or 323 to layout. Tile laying. Apply tile adhesive over the mat, ensuring full coverage.